Hello friends, how are you? In this lecture of aldol condensation, today we will see what is a crossed aldol condensation. In a previous lecture we have seen simple aldol condensation and a condensation between two same aldehydes or ketones. That condensation is said to be simple aldol condensation. In today's lecture, what is a crossed aldol condensation? To understand this, watch this video till the end. Now, what is a cross aldol condensation? And a condensation between two different aldehydes, one aldehyde, one ketone, and two different ketones. What are the possibilities? Here is the possibility number one. Possibility number one. Two different aldehydes. Two different aldehydes. इनमें केस नंबर वन, यानी aldehyde with lack of alpha hydrogen, aldehyde with no alpha hydrogen, and second aldehyde with alpha hydrogen. With alpha hydrogen. इसका एग्जाम्पल मैं फॉर्मल्डिहाइड लूंगा. यू कैन टेक बेंजल्डिहाइड ऑल्सो. ये फॉर्मल्डिहाइड, condensation of this with acetaldehyde. Condensation of this with acetaldehyde. This condensation is said to be crossed two different aldehydes I have taken. One is a formaldehyde and one is acetaldehyde. In case of acetaldehyde, with respect to this aldehyde group, this carbon is alpha. यानी यहाँ पे 3 alpha hydrogen atoms. And in case of formaldehyde, with respect to aldehyde, there is no carbon, so there is no alpha carbon, so there is no question of what? Alpha hydrogen. यहाँ पे alpha carbon नहीं है, तो alpha hydrogen कहाँ से आएगा? Isn't it? So this type of condensation is said to be what? Crossed aldol condensation. In acetaldehyde there are alpha hydrogen atoms, so definitely acetaldehyde undergoes formation of carbanion. Carbanion यहाँ से बनेगा. Because alpha hydrogens are there, acidic hydrogens are there, और carbanion का अटैक यहाँ पे होगा. And this type of condensation is said to be crossed. See here, what will happen? How to write product? So first write down aldehyde with lack of alpha hydrogen. Aldehyde with lack of alpha hydrogen. Then write aldehyde with alpha hydrogen atoms. How to write product? This condensation takes place in dilute medium, dilute basic or acidic medium. Here I will take dilute NaOH. So 10%, here I will take 10%. Carbanion यहाँ से बनेगा. Because alpha hydrogen atoms are present on this carbon. Whatever hydrogen atoms are present on this carbon are acidic. So definitely base will abstract acidic hydrogen. यानी ये bond break होगा. So formation of carbanion, और इस carbanion का अटैक यहाँ पे होगा. And a formation of new carbon single bond here. So this carbon will be pentavalent. So breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons like this. यानी you will have to write formaldehyde without pi bond as it is here. I will write like this: HCHO. Now attach this CH2 to this carbon as it is, CH to this linkage, यानी CH2, C double bond O, H, and take this hydrogen to this oxygen. Actually mechanism is different. I will explain mechanism also once again. So here with respect to this aldehyde group, this carbon is alpha, this is a beta, and what is the position of hydroxy group? So this is a beta hydroxyaldehyde. Beta hydroxyaldehyde. And this is aldol. So here two different aldehydes, one aldehyde with lack of alpha hydrogen atom and one aldehyde with alpha hydrogen atoms. So first you will have to write aldehyde with lack of alpha hydrogen atom here, and then aldehyde with alpha hydrogen atoms. Formation of carbanion from this, isn't it? What is the mechanism? इसका mechanism क्या है? Mechanism of this mechanism, formation of carbanion. Formation of carbanion. After formation of carbanion, there is a stabilization. उसका stabilization होगा, बाद में attack करेगा. So here, take acetaldehyde because alpha hydrogen atoms are there. Now reaction with base. Here I will write OH minus only. So this is base. Whatever hydrogen atoms are present on alpha carbon are acidic, यानी A acidic hydrogen. So this base will abstract acidic hydrogen. So OH minus and this H plus removal of H2O. So breaking up this and formation of carbanion. यहाँ पे carbanion, अब carbanion एक इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच कार्बन है, एक यहाँ पे दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, बिकॉज ये बॉन्डिंग पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, यहाँ पे कार्बन का एक इलेक्ट्रॉन और हाइड्रोजन का एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, या कार्बन का एक हाइड्रोजन का एक. सो आफ्टर अब्स्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन शिफ्टिंग ऑफ बोथ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टुवर्ड्स कार्बन, ये यहाँ पे आ गए. एंड इन दिस केस दिस लोन पेयर इज इन व्हाट कंजुगेशन विथ मल्टीपल बॉन्ड. हियर लोन पेयर सिंगल बॉन्ड डबल बॉन्ड. सो इसका स्टैबिलाइजेशन होगा, शिफ्टिंग ऑफ दिस टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टुवर्ड्स कार्बन, यानी यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड बनेगा. सो ब्रेकिंग अप पाई बॉन्ड एंड शिफ्टिंग लाइक दिस. यानी resonating structure and formation of enolate ion. Formation of enolate ion CH2. C here double bond. Here it is O minus and H. What is this? This is enolate. ये enolate हुआ. Now what is step number 2? This is step number 1. What is step number 2? Step number 2. Attack of carbanion. Attack of carbanion. अब कार्बेनियन का अटैक कहां पे होगा? फॉर्मल्डिहाइड के इस कार्बन पे होगा, बिकॉज कार्बोनिल ग्रुप इज इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर, इट इज इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव ग्रुप. सो हियर अटैक ऑफ व्हाट? I will take enolate ion. Like this. अब इसकी रीशफलिंग होगी, अगेन शिफ्टिंग ऑफ दिस टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हियर, यानी अगेन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बन ऑक्सीजन डबल बॉन्ड. नाउ दिस कार्बन विल बी पेंटावैलेंट. सो ब्रेकिंग ऑफ दिस pi bond and shifting of electrons towards carbon, यानी कार्बन will be negatively charged, again formation of carbanion. So attack of carbanion here. And a formation of new carbon-carbon single bond here. Now this carbon is a pentavalent here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and new bond 5. So breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons like this. And a formation of new carbon-carbon single bond. So here H, C, H. ये हाइड्रोजन मैंने नीचे दिखाया. So here it will be O minus, CH2, C double bond O, H. Now in step number 1, water molecule is released. That is why this reaction is said to be condensation. Now same water is used here. Same water is used. So this O minus will abstract H plus, isn't it? Yani here it is a formation of beta hydroxyaldehyde. Here it is OH. A carbon-carbon single bond, that is a new carbon-carbon single bond. This is a new carbon-carbon single bond. This is alpha carbon with respect to aldehyde. This is a beta position of hydroxy group, beta hydroxyaldehyde, and we know that beta hydroxyaldehyde and what? That is aldol. So this is an example of what? Cross aldol condensation. In this case, I have taken one aldehyde with no alpha hydrogen atom and one aldehyde with what? Alpha hydrogen atom. Instead of formaldehyde, you can take benzaldehyde, because in benzaldehyde also there is no alpha hydrogen atom. Now second case, If any doubt, you can ask me. Second, two different aldehydes but having alpha hydrogen atoms. For this, I will take one, that is 1 mole of acetaldehyde and 1 mole of propionaldehyde. That is also what? Cross aldol condensation. So case number 2, both aldehydes having alpha hydrogen atoms. Here it is B. Here different aldehydes with different aldehydes with alpha hydrogens. So here I will take 1 mole of acetaldehyde. Condensation of this with propionaldehyde. Again condensation in the presence of diroot base. Here I will take again 10% sodium hydroxide. You can take potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, etc. So here two different aldehydes I have taken. That is why this condensation is said to be crossed aldol condensation. यहाँ पे acetaldehyde है. With respect to this aldehyde group, this is alpha carbon. And with respect to this aldehyde group, this carbon is said to be alpha. Name of this aldehyde is a propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. And this is acetaldehyde. That is why this reaction is said to be crossed aldol condensation. Isn't it? See here, both aldehydes, acetaldehyde as well as propionaldehyde can form carbanion, can undergo carbanion formation because both having alpha hydrogen atoms. So in this case, there are 4 aldol products. There are 4 different aldol products. And when aldol products are more, then isolation is difficult. And isolation of each aldol product is difficult. That is why synthetically cross aldol condensation is less important. See here, how many products are there, how many different aldol products are there. So here 1 mole of acetaldehyde, 1 mole of propionaldehyde. So here self-condensation between acetaldehyde is possible. Self-condensation between propionaldehyde is possible. Then formation of carbanion from acetaldehyde and attack of carbanion here. And fourth one is formation of carbanion from this propionaldehyde and attack of carbanion here. So 4 different. See here, I will explain one by one. So here, first, self-condensation. Self-condensation between acetaldehyde. Because we know that 1 mole of acetaldehyde equal to Avogadro's number and 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of acetaldehyde. That is why self-condensation is possible. So here, this is 1 acetaldehyde. I will write second molecule of acetaldehyde here. Dilute base like this. Same formation of new carbon-carbon single bond, breaking of this, formation of carbanion, attack of carbanion here. So we can show like this. And here formation of what? Self-aldol product. Formation of self-aldol product. So here it is a beta hydroxy, this is alpha, this is a beta. So this is a beta hydroxy aldehyde. Now what is second possibility? Self-condensation between a propionaldehyde. Self-condensation between propionaldehyde. Self-condensation between propionaldehyde. Here I will write first molecule of propionaldehyde, second molecule of propionaldehyde, but I will write like this. I will show one hydrogen separately. This is alpha carbon. Here it is CH3. See double bond O H. With respect to aldehyde group, this is alpha carbon. Our interest in alpha carbon. Our interest in alpha hydrogen atoms. Here two alpha hydrogen atoms, both are acidic. Condensation between base, dilute base. So this base will abstract this acidic hydrogen. So mechanism same. Here formation of new carbon-carbon single bond. So here formation of carbanion, attack of carbanion. Because this carbon is beta. Don't think about beta carbon. Here we have to think about only alpha carbon. ये alpha carbon है. So यहाँ पे carbanion बनेगा. Attack of carbanion will be here like this. So here formation of new carbon-carbon bond between carbon of carbonyl and alpha carbon of this aldehyde. Yani formation of again beta hydroxy. I will write here as it is CH3 CH2 CHO CH3 CH2. Now this CH, here it is O H, first AH acidic hydrogen OH minus के साथ चला जाएगा, H2O release होगा, and in second step again that hydrogen will be the part of this oxygen and here H. Now this CH CH3 C double bond O H. This is alpha carbon with respect to aldehyde. This is a beta, and this is beta hydroxy aldehyde. So both these are number 1 and number 2 examples of what self condensation. अब इसका क्रॉस कंडेंसेशन कैसे होगा? क्रॉस कंडेंसेशन, दैट इज थर्ड. Third, formation of carbanion. Formation of carbanion from acetaldehyde. From acetaldehyde. Formation of carbanion from acetaldehyde. So first I have to write propionaldehyde here. क्योंकि कार्बेनियन फॉर्मेशन किससे बन रहा है? एसिटाल्डिहाइड से. सो यू विल हैव टू राइट प्रोपियोनाल्डिहाइड फर्स्ट, isn't it? And formation of carbanion from acetaldehyde, I will write one hydrogen separately. It is like this. Condensation in the presence of dilute base. Same mechanism. So here acetaldehyde undergoes formation of carbanion, so breaking of this and formation of carbanion. क्योंकि ये OH माइनस एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन को abstract करेगा, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिलीज होगा, and in second step again abstraction of H plus from that water molecule. So here ये कार्बेनियन और कार्बेनियन का अटैक यहाँ पे होगा, and a formation of new carbon-carbon single bond here. So this carbon will be pentavalent, so breaking of this bond and shifting of electrons like this. और abstraction of acidic hydrogen from that water molecule, यानी कि हाइड्रोजन इधर आएगा. So here, or I don't as it is CH3 CH2 CH and O without pi bond. How to write product? CH3 CH2 CHO. Now take this hydrogen to this oxygen H. Now attach CH2C double bond OH as it is. This is our new carbon-carbon single bond. Special character feature of what aldol condensation, formation of new carbon-carbon single bond. A new carbon-carbon single bond. See here, CH3 CH2 CHO. This is the part of what? Propionaldehyde. See here, this is the part of what? Propionaldehyde. This CH2C double bond OH is the part of acetaldehyde. And what about this acidic hydrogen? It will be here. So this is alpha carbon with respect to aldehyde. This is beta and this is beta hydroxy aldehyde. Beta hydroxy aldehyde. What about fourth? Fourth, formation of carbanion. Formation of carbanion from propionaldehyde. Formation of carbanion from propionaldehyde. So first you will have to write acetaldehyde. This is first, second, third and fourth formation of carbanion from propanol. So first write down acetaldehyde. अब कार्बेनियन किससे बन रहा है? प्रोपेनॉल से. सो राइट डाउन हियर our interest in only alpha carbon atom, alpha hydrogen atoms. So this is alpha carbon with respect to aldehyde. Forget about beta carbon. This is not important. So whatever hydrogen atoms are present on alpha carbon, these are acidic. Condensation will be not condensation in the presence of dilute base. Mechanism हमने देखा है. So this base will abstract acidic hydrogen formation of carbanion. And इस कार्बन का कार्बेनियन बनेगा, उसका रेजोनेंस स्टेबलाइजेशन होगा और बाद में अटैक ऑफ कार्बेनियन टू दिस. यहां पे अटैक हो रहा है, isn't it? जहां पर अटैक होता है वो मॉलिक्यूल फर्स्ट लिखना चाहिए, isn't it? It is easy to understand, it is easy to write the product. So यहां पे कार्बेनियन बनेगा. So breaking of this carbon hydrogen single bond, ये कार्बेनियन, इसका स्टेबलाइजेशन होगा और यहां पे एक न्यू बॉन्ड बनेगा. क्योंकि कार्बेनियन का अटैक, कार्बेनियन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच, इट इज न्यूक्लियोफाइल एंड दिस कार्बोनिल ग्रुप इज इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर. सो यहां पे अटैक होगा. नाउ दिस कार्बन इज पेंटावैलेंट, सो ब्रेकिंग अप दिस. हाउ टू राइट प्रोडक्ट? राइट डाउन दिस acetaldehyde विदाउट pi bond like this CH3, a CHO, a acidic hydrogen, isn't it? It will go with OH minus because this is base acidic है. H2 रिलीज होगा, बाद में abstraction होगा और हाइड्रोजन यहां पे आएगा H. अभी बाकी बचा क्या है? CH. Attach as it is. Here it is CH, a CH3, C double bond OH, like this. So here it is alpha, it is beta and a beta hydroxyaldehyde. So how many products are there? There are 4 products. First 2 based on a simple aldol condensation and a self condensation in acetaldehyde, 2 molecules of acetaldehyde. Second one, self condensation in propionaldehyde and 2 molecules of propanol, that is a propionaldehyde. This is simple aldol, this is simple aldol product, isn't it? Then third one, formation of carbanion from acetaldehyde. Carbanion कहां से बनेगा? acetaldehyde से बनेगा. So attack of carbanion here, and this is a crossed aldol product. Fourth one, formation of carbanion from propionaldehyde, और अटैक कहां पे होगा? acetaldehyde पे होगा. And this is a fourth, and this is a crossed aldol product. So remember here, formation of 4 different aldols, and it is a little difficult to isolate these products. That is why synthetically this type of cross aldol condensation is not important, isn't it? Because isolation is difficult. So this reaction is said to be cross aldol condensation. We have seen that is 2 different aldehydes, one aldehyde having alpha hydrogen and one aldehyde with lack of alpha hydrogen. We have seen example formaldehyde, acetaldehyde. Case number 2, we have seen 2 different aldehydes and both having alpha hydrogen atoms. Acetaldehyde, alpha hydrogen atoms. Propionaldehyde, alpha hydrogen atoms. What is the next category? I will take one aldehyde and one ketone. I will take one aldehyde and one ketone. So example of this, here I have taken 1 mole of formaldehyde and 1 mole of acetaldehyde. Instead of acetaldehyde, here I will take acetone. And 1 molecule of aldehyde, 1 mole of aldehyde and 1 mole of ketone. Here ketone, I have taken acetone. In acetone, here both are alpha carbon atoms. These two are alpha carbon atoms. On each alpha carbon there are 3 alpha hydrogen atoms are there. This is aldehyde. There is no alpha hydrogen. There is no alpha carbon, so there is no question of alpha hydrogen. This reaction is also known as a crossed aldol condensation because here I have taken one aldehyde and one ketone. So this is a crossed aldol condensation. So compulsory acetone gives carbanion. Acetone will undergo carbanion formation because alpha hydrogen atoms are there. So how to write product? We know that write on this formaldehyde as it is, but don't show pi bond. HCHO like this. Now take one alpha hydrogen. For this I will write CH2 and one acidic hydrogen separately. I will show it like this. So attach this CH2C double bond O CH3 as it is. यहाँ पे CH2C double bond O CH3. It is like this. And take this hydrogen to this oxygen and it will be beta hydroxy. This is alpha, this is a beta. So this is a beta hydroxy ketone. Beta hydroxy ketone. Isn't it? Beta hydroxy ketone. So this carbon is said to be alpha with respect to ketone. ये ketonic group है because here carbonyl group is surrounded by 2 carbon atoms. ये ketonic है. That is why beta hydroxy ketone. This is not beta hydroxy aldehyde. This is beta hydroxy ketone. We can say that is a ketol. Is this final product? No. Reaction continues because again with respect to this alpha carbonyl group, this alpha carbon is free. This alpha carbon. So formation of carbanion from this carbon again. This reaction continues like this. So here formation of carbanion and attack on second molecule of formaldehyde. इसका कार्बेनियन बनेगा. It is like this. Again reaction with dilute base condensation. Mechanism same. So here breaking up pi bond, breaking up this bond. Formation of carbanion, attack of carbanion here, breaking up pi bond and shifting of electrons like this. Yani here it will be CO minus and this O minus will get this H plus. And what is the product? Here it is CH2. Here it is O. Shifting up this hydrogen toward this oxygen and it will be OH. Now CH2, a formation of new carbon-carbon single bond. Baki as it is. C double bond O. CH2. It is like this. This is the final product. This is the final product with respect to this carbonyl. This is alpha. This is also alpha. This is a beta. This is also beta. Yani beta dihydroxy. Beta dihydroxy ketone. Beta dihydroxy ketone. Now this reaction stops here and this is the final product. In this case I have taken 1 mole of formaldehyde and 1 mole of acetone. So both alpha carbon atoms are symmetrical. Acetone will undergo formation of carbanion. It is symmetrical. You can take any alpha carbon for this. Here formation of new carbon-carbon single bond. Here formation of new carbon-carbon single bond between these two. This is the new carbon-carbon single bond. And this is the beta hydroxy ketone. Again this alpha end is free because with respect to this carbonyl group this is alpha carbon. Formation of carbanion from this. Formation of carbanion from this and attack of carbanion here on second molecule of formaldehyde. So it gives beta dihydroxy ketone. This is the final product. So this reaction is also known as crossed aldol condensation and a crossed two different aldehydes. Case number 1, aldehyde with lack of alpha hydrogen, second aldehyde with alpha hydrogen. Case number 2, both aldehydes are having alpha hydrogen atoms. Next, that is one aldehyde, 1 mole of aldehyde, 1 mole of ketone, and aldehyde and ketone. This is also crossed. You can take one aldehyde with alpha hydrogen, ketone with alpha hydrogen like this. यानी condensation between acetaldehyde and acetone. ये भी क्रॉस का एग्जांपल है, क्रॉस aldol कंडेंसेशन का एग्जांपल है. It is like this. Here it is alpha carbon. With respect to carbonyl, these two are alpha carbon atoms. Aldehyde is more reactive than ketones. We know that reactivity aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. So formation of carbanion here, attack of carbanion. Again, like this carbon is free, this alpha carbon is free. Again formation of carbanion here, and then again attack of carbanion, isn't it? So this is cross aldol condensation. So what is a cross aldol condensation? And a condensation between two different aldehydes, condensation between two different ketones, condensation between one aldehyde and one ketone. This type of reaction is said to be cross aldol condensation, isn't it? If any doubt, you can put your doubt in comment box. Definitely I will back to you. In next lecture, we'll see intramolecular aldol condensation with example. Thank you.